So I'm getting a lot of people that are asking me about what's going on in the market and is everybody moving to the suburbs? And the truth of the matter is that, listen, we're a mile out of New York City, and New York City will always triumph. You know, I am a native New Yorker. However, right, we're absolutely seeing movement. You have people in one bedrooms here that are buying, right, two bedrooms, right, so that they have more space. There are people coming from New York City and they are coming from Brooklyn. And for those people, we are their suburbs. And then we have people here, if their budget is allowing it, they're buying larger properties here with outdoor space, and they will 100% stay. And then you have people going to the burbs or going to other places depending on their work schedule and how much they have to go into the office. So a lot of movement, and it depends on price point, but 100%, if you intend to go elsewhere outside of our area, which we would always be happy to keep you here, please call me. I'm happy to pull numbers, give you the best realtor in any of our suburbs, as well as actually anywhere in the country. I had a friend who called me yesterday and asked me for somebody in Italy, and I gave him the person that is the biggest in Italy. And I think, feel free, I'm happy to share